The sky outside feels heavy today, yet in that heaviness, there is a quiet message for you. Something is shifting in your life, even if you cannot see it yet. The world keeps moving, people keep rushing, but Allah has placed a sign just for you. A sign so subtle, so delicate, that most hearts will pass by without noticing. Your heart may feel restless. You may feel stuck, lost, or unsure. You may wonder why life feels so heavy, why your prayers feel unanswered. This moment right now is exactly where Allah is speaking to you. Pay attention to the small changes, the unexpected reliefs, the sudden clarity. These are not coincidences. These are whispers from the divine, guiding you toward what is meant for you. Think about your daily struggles, the times you feel invisible, the burdens you carry silently. Imagine seeing a door you never knew existed. A door opening quietly, without applause, without anyone noticing. Only you can step through it. Only you can recognize the blessing behind it. Allah is showing you that patience is never wasted. Every tear, every moment of silence, every heartache, is shaping you for something greater. The signs are often hidden in the ordinary. A moment of calm in a storm. A kind word from a stranger. A sudden thought that gives you courage. These small, almost invisible moments carry immense meaning. They are the reminders that Allah's plan is perfect and personal. You may have felt ignored by the world. You may have doubted your path. You may have wondered if your efforts mean anything. Listen closely, because Allah's sign is here. It is in your heart when you wake up and feel an unexpected hope. It is in the quiet confidence that pushes you to keep going, even when everything seems against you. Trust does not mean waiting passively. It means seeing the signs around you, feeling them, believing in them, and moving with courage. Every struggle you face today is preparing you for tomorrow. Every hardship is carving a way for blessings you cannot yet imagine. The sign is not loud, but it is undeniable. It is the subtle nudge that life is aligning for you, that your prayers are heard, that your journey is meaningful. Do not let the world distract you from seeing this sign. Slow down. Listen. Feel. Look for the moments that bring clarity, that ignite hope, that quiet your fear. These are the footprints of Allah guiding you. And when you recognize them, when you acknowledge them, your heart will fill with a strength you never knew you had. You will find patience becoming easier. You will find faith growing without struggle. You will see that every hardship, every uncertainty, every moment of despair has been preparing you for something beautiful. Something only Allah could have planned. Hold on to this moment. Cherish the subtle signs. Let them guide your actions, your thoughts, your intentions. Your life is not random. Your journey is not wasted. Allah is speaking directly to you, through the quiet miracles around you. Be alert, be grateful, and trust the path unfolding. Share this message with those who need hope today. Like, share, and subscribe, so this reminder reaches hearts that are ready to see, hearts that are ready to feel, and hearts that are ready to follow the signs that most people will miss.